In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create schedule in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set dates on a task so it appears on your calendar and shows up in timelines and workload views. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the overview area of your team space. The overview is a great place to get a high-level snapshot of everything happening in your workspace. From here, you can quickly find the item you want to work with. If your workspace is busy, use the search bar or filters to narrow down what you're looking for, but keep your focus on the task you want to schedule. Once you've located the right task, click on it to open the task details panel. This is where all the important fields live, assignees, statuses, and most importantly for this tutorial, the scheduling options. Inside the task, look for the dates section. Click on dates to open the date picker. This is the control that lets you define when work starts and when it's due. Think of it as the source of truth for where the task lands on your calendar and how it's tracked in views like List, Calendar, and Gantt. With the date picker open, choose your dates. If you're planning a simple deadline, you can set just the due date. If you want a proper schedule that covers a span of time, set both a start date and a due date. This tells ClickUp when work begins and when it needs to be completed, which helps with workload and timeline accuracy. You can adjust the selections at any time, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. For a quick start, click the Today option to set the start date to today. This is handy when you're kicking off work immediately and want the schedule to reflect that. Next, pick the specific due date on the calendar. In this example, you'll click on the day labeled 8 to set the due date to the 8th of the month. Selecting that date applies it to the task and finalizes the schedule. If your interface shows a save or apply button, confirm your choice. Otherwise, closing the picker will keep your selection. That's it. The task now has a clear schedule. You'll see the dates displayed on the task, and it will appear in your calendar and any time-based views. If plans change, just revisit the dates section and update the start or due date as needed. This simple workflow ensures your tasks are properly timed, visible to your team, and easy to track from planning to completion.